Alright, in today's video we are taking a look at the Lucid Clear case by Caudabe. This is your close-up look. One of the cool things about this, it's an ultra slim case. It's designed to be crystal clear. It's kind of a hard plastic shell. It's actually manufactured from the same impact resistant thermoplastic polymer that they use in bulletproof glass. That's what they're sharing on their website. But it's a super thin, clear case. And why do I like a clear case? It's because I want to show off. I want to be able to enjoy, what my phone looks like, the original intended. I want to cover up the back of the phone. I want to be able to see through to the back of the phone, be able to view the gold colorway that I've picked up in the rims. And nothing does that better than a clear case. Just taking a look around, so you have cutouts for your buttons. I really like that. It means the buttons are accessible, so it is a super clicky case. Cutouts for your mute rocker, your volume up and down button. Then you have cutouts for your power port and your speaker grills. You do get a lip around your camera hump, so it will provide protection, and we'll take a look and see how much of a lip around the front, if any, that you get. And then you also have a nice little Caudabe branding hit, but fairly minimal down here on the edge of the phone. So let's pop this in. We can clean this up a little bit. And here we have it. So a really nice looking case, only because it is super clear. So basically you can enjoy the look of your phone just showing through your case. Let me bring this in a little bit closer. Let's take a close-up look. All right, so here is the camera hump area. And if you notice, you get a very, very nice lip around the cameras. So plenty of protection for your camera lenses. It's a little bit hard to see because but if you look down here, you can definitely see there's a lip that rises above the camera lenses. So plenty of protection there. Again, cut out for your power button, so you're accessing the button from the iPhone, so very clicky. Here's your 5G antenna. Here is that Caudabe branding. And here's a look at the back of the case. And the other side here, see the antenna wires showing through, volume up and down button, mute rocker, cutout, and then the top of the case. So it's a very simple but elegant case. And then here's the bottom. There is cutout for your power port, your speaker grills. The other thing is, because it is a hard kind of plastic polymer, they do have cuts in the corners here, so that it's easier to take on and take off. So actually, I like to push down through the cameras. You just kind of snap it off from the corners once you get it started. It's on there pretty good and tight. Here, let me back up here. The gold this year of the gold version of the iPhone is a little bit darker. Last year is much more closer to white, so I do like how, at least on the back, it's a little bit more of a darker cream color than it was last year. All right, and then also let's zoom back in and take a look at the front of the case. I do want to see, I don't think you're going to get much of a lip here. So if I look up close, essentially you do get a small amount of a lip, a very light lip around the front of the phone. However, because I have a screen protector on, the screen protector is essentially coming even. It's essentially even with the top of the phone case. So you do get a small lip. It's not a big lip. I don't know that I would call this one Slam Boy certified. Thank you, Floss. But so you can kind of see there how it looks like. If I look right in here, it looks like the screen protector is coming right up against, right up even with the edge of the lip of the phone case. So the other thing that's interesting about this one is a lot of times on clear cases, you're going to see a magnetic ring if it's a Magsafe clear case. So this is not Magsafe compatible necessarily. However, what I do want to show is it is wireless charging. It will work, as well as because it is so thin. So there's the Magsafe charging there. Let me get that better in focus. And because it is so thin, it will actually hold on to your Magsafe charger. So there is a nice magnetic hold that you do get with this case. Let me grab my wallet real quick and we'll test that out. All right, so I've got the Moft wallet here, and let's just see how this works. So it does hold, so it will hold your wallet. And if I shake it pretty good, it's not gonna come off. However, it's not as strong of a hold as if you had a Magsafe case. So while it's fine and it will hold on there, I don't know that I would trust it as much. Now the interesting thing is the stand feature of that does still work. So the wallet, in this case the Moft case, does hold on strong enough to act as a stand, but it will come off rather easily. While it'll attach on, it's not a strong hold, and that's because this case is not Magsafe. However, if that's not a deal breaker for you, it's a super case, super thin and light. You do get a little bit of a lip around the front, but as long as you're using a screen protector, you're gonna be fine. They don't share on the website any sort of drop height certification or anything along those lines, so I would say this is primarily safe for, if you're setting it down on a table or a very short drop or something like that, you're gonna be fine. But typically, because these iPhones are a little bit tougher than they have been in the past, I am much more comfortable using a case like this, even though it's super thin, because I know it's giving me at least a little bit of protection. So I am willing to take that risk of a larger drop potentially damaging the phone, but I feel like you do get good protection with this case. I'm not gonna claim it's drop protection, but definitely scratches, definitely super small drops, and it will work with your Magsafe charger, and it is wireless charging compatible. So let's take one more look at this case. You can pick this up on Caudabe.com for $30. You cannot buy this on Amazon. So go check out Caudabe.com. They're always running special deals. I think right now, today I just logged on and there was a 10% off for first-time purchases. So definitely go check out Caudabe.com if you're interested in this case. All right, guys, thanks for watching. That's about it for this one. Got more case videos coming up, and if I don't get one out before then, have a Merry Christmas. Thanks, guys. Peace.